Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Rashid. Today I will show you how can we visualize the post performance report by Python. For this purpose I have used LDE carrier aggregation so that I can make you understand how can we visualize the post performance report by Python. By the way, if you missed my first video which was also related to RF automation, then you can watch. If you want, you can watch the video. I have pasted the link in my post, so you can click the video link and watch the video. Let's come to today's topic. For this purpose, as I told you previously, the motive of this video is how can we visualize the post performance report. Let's discuss about the LDE carrier aggregation. What will we get after carrier aggregation? Definitely there will be an impact on throughput, DL throughput, right? Assume some cell has 15 MHz channel bandwidth as a primary channel. If we add 5 MHz bandwidth as a secondary channel, then total 20 MHz will be the total bandwidth for the particular cell, right? 15 MHz and 5 MHz equal to 20 MHz for a particular cell. So we expect better throughput from the particular cell. For this video, I have chosen 15 sites as a cluster and 10 sites of this cluster has implemented carrier aggregation technique. That means 15 site is the total cluster site and 10 sites those has the carrier aggregation technique implemented already. That means 45 cells are total cluster cell and 30 cells have a carrier aggregated in the same cluster. Okay, let's discuss about the second slide. In the second slide, you can watch that the four plot I have been plotted by Python. I will show you how can we use it. How can we use Python later. First, discuss about the this plot. First plot. You can check that on the left side the cell user throughput DL and the right side cluster user throughput DL. That means in the one KPI I have compared for the cell user throughput and cluster user throughput. Please don't focus on the trend about the I have taken 14 days data for particular plot. Similarly, the second plot is here. You can check the traffic volume cell and the traffic volume for the cluster. For this plot, I had the KPI was total traffic volume. You can check from here. Similarly, you can check the third plot and the fourth plot. In the fourth plot, you can check the MCS distribution, modulation and coding scheme distribution. You can check that there is a, by the way, this red, the red color is the execution time. You can check from here, the red color is the execution time and the blue color is the execution time, and here this is the execution time here. From this plot you can clearly check that the red color, which is 256 QAM, if I zoom it more, then 256 QAM, the red color is the 256 QAM. After the execution of carrier aggregation, you can check the 256 QAM is increasing. That means the radio condition was very good for the for those carrier aggregated cell, and you can also check the ups and downs of the orange color, which was 16 QAM, which is and green color is increase. That means from 16 to 64 QAM is increase. That means it is a very good for the modulation. Okay, let's come to Python platform. This is the Python platform, and as an input I have, this is the input folder of Python. As an example, I have taken as an input I have taken these two Excel file. You can check the CA, that is the total cluster data here, and CA underscore sales, the sales data are here. I have keep these two files in the as an input file. Now I will import my module here. This is the Python platform, which is known as Jupyter Notebook. Now I will import my module. In this CA post processing module, I have coded my online. Now I will execute the code by pressing shift and enter. you can check the star mark, that means it is working. It is taken less than 30 seconds. You can check the visualization from here, that I have been already discussed with you. This is the post processing visualization report of the carrier aggregation. We can easily prepare our report by Python. You can check it from here how quick is the process. This is all my video. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please hit like the video. Stay safe. Thank you.